Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. In today's video, I'll be discussing this brand new case that I just got from my iPad Air 3. Now, the fun part about the iPad Air 3 is it's slightly bigger than the older iPads, and I mean just barely, and we're really just talking about the actual screen that you can see. The bad news is that means that some of my older cases that I really like, by the way, this is a very simple, easy case. I'll put links to all these cases down in the description below. Anyway, I love this. It fits really well on the older iPad Airs, the 1 and 2 and the older ones. However, the part of the screen gets covered up just enough to be a nuisance. So I thought I'd try out a few new cases. I got this one right here, and so far it's really working well. You can see that it fits it absolutely perfect. Again, this is the iPad Air 3. Look down below in the description and I'll put links to all these different cases so you can make sure you get the right one for you. A couple of the features I really like. Number one is I have it put together and they give you two different front covers. This little front cover right here does not have any plastic cover on it, like to protect the glass. This one does. Now sometimes I like the idea of the protection. However, I want to make sure that I don't lose any of that responsiveness, right? So like when I'm moving my fingers back and forth and we're doing these kinds of things, and so far you can't even tell the difference. So I really am happy with that. A few more key features I really like. Number one is it feels a little bit more professional, where these feel a little bit more kid friendly, if that's okay to say. So I'll share this one with my oldest son, who's very excited about that. But I think this is a good look and good function for us. So a few more of the key features, of course, like, it's fit perfect for it. So there's our camera right there. Also, you can hold it in your hand, and it's got this stand in the back so that you can kind of just lay it up, which is really nice. So maybe you're watching a movie, a video, or maybe you're watching some YouTube and you can kind of set it up just like that. Very, very nice. So one more feature that this case comes with is a strap, and I'll show you a picture of what that looks like. This is something I'm not sure if I'm going to use or not. So for now, I'm going to keep this and we'll set it to the side. Here's a few pictures of what it looks like though. Okay, so here's a few pictures off their website, and you can see that that strap would be really nice if you're going to use it like in a car. You can put it kind of on the back seat like that. I really like that idea actually. And then also, I don't think I'm going to use it in this manner, but you can kind of have it go around your neck, and that gives you sort of hands-free. Again, I don't know. I do like this handle that you can see right here. That seems like a useful tool. And this is what I really love. See the stand right here? So I think that is definitely something that I see myself and my family using. All right, friends, again, check the links down below. I'll show you this case. I'll also show you some of the ones that I would consider to be a little bit more kid-friendly, very simple, but very protective. And I've got a few other cases over here as well that I'll put down in the description, and I'll let you know what I like and maybe what I don't like too. All right, friends, make it a great day out there. Hey, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.